G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's product review time again, and today I'll be reviewing this product right here. Well, yes, chicken noodle soup. And today I wanted to find out whether this was, well, yes, or, well, nah. Now, the reason I chose this product is because on the back it says, made in the USA! And plus it's a chicken noodle soup, and I really felt like some nice warm chicken noodle soup because it is winter at the moment here in Australia and we need some soups to warm us up. So I'm going to find out whether or not this is a good one to get or not. But before I delve into sussing this bad boy out, how about we check out the ingredients? Okay. Chicken stock, water and chicken, 69%. 69, you know. Chicken meat, 6%. Great Northern beans, Batman, 5%. Egg noodles with quinoa flour, water, tomatoes, carrots, celery, fennel, onions, potatoes. Well, that actually sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Hardly any ingredients, but the ingredients that are there are top notch. And it says here, chicken meat with no antibiotics. So you're antibiotic, are you? You're a biotic phobe. That's what this is telling me. And it's got 15 grams of protein too. That's pretty good. We all know what protein's good for, don't we? Don't we? Well, those ingredients actually look pretty good. So let's suss out its nutrition. Right. So quantity per serving, it's only 186 calories. That's not much. Protein, 16 grams. Well, I thought it said 15 grams. Make up your mind, cobber. Total fat, 3.7 grams. Carbs, 22.9 grams. Fibre, 4.8 grams. With sodium, just over 1 gram. Well, that's all right. The ingredients look good. The nutrition looks good. Let's hope it tastes good. It does have some spiels on it. Let's read them. Say yes to protein. We know you want to live life to its fullest. That's why we purposely combine the real nutrition ingredients to give you a source of protein in every can. Go ahead, say yes. Eat positively and live deliciously. Alrighty, I think I will. So, how about we start cooking this bad boy? And just FYI, it's imported by Campbell's Soup. So it's a Campbell's product. Right, well, it better be good. And with a 3.5-star health rating, I'm sure it will be. Right, let's start making it. Now it says here, preparation is easy. Pour into saucepan, heat, stir, and enjoy. Well, they are some top shelf instructions, those ones. Heat, stir, and enjoy. Doesn't get much easier than that. So I'll turn the stove on. Crack this soup. Oh, it looks pretty watery. Sort of hoping it might be creamy. Let's pour it in here. Well, there's some chunks of something. Must be those noodles. I can see chicken. I saw a bean. Looks almost edible. Now, do you eat soup or do you drink it? I don't know. Let me know down below if you know, because I don't know. Anyway, let's start warming this up. Warm, my pretty. Warm. Oh boy, that's warm! So let's serve this bad boy up. Okay. Fits nicely in a bowl. And now I've warmed it up, I need to let it cool down a bit before I can tuck on in. Kind of makes no sense, does it? But it's a lovely, almost clear soup. Well, not really, because I can't see the bottom. But yes, so it's got the noodles. Got a few big chunks of carrots here. There's some nice big chunks of chicken. Here's a Great Northern bean, Batman! Which on the pack said it took up 5% of the ingredients, but I can only find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. Looks like about 5%. Although I should weigh it, shouldn't I? To be sure. But I think it could be time to dive on in to figure out whether this is a well yes or a well no. I'll start with some broth. Well, it's a bit bland. Maybe it tastes better with the noodles. Well, that tastes a bit better. What about the chicken? Well, Well, that chicken's got no flavour. So let's try a big mouthful with everything. The Great Northern beans, the chicken, the noodles, and some carrot. Well, after tasting it all together, I can give this a well. I think I'll stick to the cream of chicken soup. That tends to have heaps more flavour. This one's okay. It's a little bit bland, but in saying that, it's not too bad. The chicken sort of tastes like chicken, not really. The soup, I can't really taste any chicken in the soup at all. But as far as a non-creamy sort of soup goes, it's not too bad. And if you are after something nice and warming that's got loads of protein, then I'm guessing this might be a good soup for you. The noodles are nice and soft, as are the beans. In fact, the more I eat it, the more I like it. So, will this get a well yes or a well no? Well, I'm giving this a, well, I might get it again if it's on half price special. Now, this is normally $3.50 just for a can of this soup, so it's pretty expensive soup. But of course, I did pick it up on half price for $1.75, which is probably what you would want to pay for it. And would I get it again? Well, possibly. Well, that's all for today's product review. If there's something out there you really want me to try, let me know in the comments below. Remember to show this video some thumbing up. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I review some. Catch you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are